Hi friends, Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, Mumbai. We all know IITs reaching to Google, reaching to Microsoft. My point here is the Times of India article Delhi edition published on 26 April says there are around 200 R&D projects and IITs are leading in that with respect to corona fight. So as can be seen, they are doing research in personal protective care equipment, testing kits, sanitization, medical equipments like ventilator, robots which can deliver food and medicine, as we have seen certain videos in YouTube. They're also like in use in Banaras Hindu University Hospital or Institute of Medical Science in Delhi. They are also envisaging or trying to use such kind of robots. Then surveillance method, like we have Arogya Setu app. Then we use artificial intelligence in epidemiology. Then various drugs, pharmacological agents, and artificial intelligence and machine learning with respect to data analytics. Because in coronavirus, there is after finding the first case, there is a lot of contact tracing. So there is a lot of data analytics also involved. So there are a number of research areas. But my point here is all the time we see IIT doing this thing. Then in the first page of this newspaper, we are seeing there is called Fishery Institute, Central Institute of Fishery Research in Kochi. They are developed sanitizer, which is developed from seaweeds. But my dear friends, a lot of Indian scientists, engineers from IIT, and we have did something called Central Scientific Industrial Research. Now I'm almost 48 to 49 years old, and from right from my childhood, I have been reading a lot of newspapers. You will find so many institutes, engineers in Indian institutes, IIT doing so much of research. When it's come to ground reality, you hardly find much of the things which are being used in the society. A lot of ventilators are from the foreign countries, sold by multinational companies. So my point is, my dear friends, you do research also, but at the same time, those from IIT and CSIR, please make use of its implementation also, commercial use also. We have Indian Scientific Research Institute, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Wonderful things they are doing, but when it's come to ground reality, not much can be seen. So good scientists and engineers on individual basis as well as those working in the organization must make sure that 130 crore Indians who are paying their hard earned money as tax should also get use of it. So many IITians are doing research. I know, being a doctor myself, corona is going to last for a long time. But my dear friends, if you are importing Chinese kits, spending so much of dollars, which are third class kind of kits, not working properly, you are still relying on foreign goods. See the Delhi airport, a lot of imported goods are coming. Why can't we produce it? What are the IITians in Delhi doing? What are the IITians in Madras doing? Guwahati doing? They'll keep on researching, spending crores of rupees of the government money, but not coming out with the products. So I'm not criticizing, but my message through this video is that like hard work we are doing to do research, same kind of effort we must also do to commercialize the product. Many times, whether it is Central Scientific Industrial Research, ISRO, or IITs, they do research, they make a good presentation, business module, but it remains up till that stage. It never comes out in the market. Like, for example, in the first page I mentioned, they made a sanitizer, Fishery Institute in Kochi. But my dear friend, do you think in a condition like lockdown and that took place like Delhi, I'm talking about Delhi, capital of India, will I be able to have that sanitizer in my hand within a week? No, months will pass before I can get that sanitizer. And I'm sure The marketing will not be of that advantage that I can get a such a sanitizer. When I go to a local shop, they will give me a kind of a sanitizer where they have a lot of margin, but I will not get that sanitizer developed by the Kochi. Even if I go to Big Bazaar or uh, More, which is run by Birla and all that, you find products of multinational companies. You won't get this product. So my request to IITians to also focus on marketing and commercializing your research products. So I'll read for you in detail over here. So what it says is Indian scientific community is making a lot of effort. They are doing a lot of R&D things. 18 IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies are doing that with 208 dedicated R&D projects. My dear friends, okay, fine. Let us see the result. It should be the things should be seen in the market. Then only I'll be happy. Guwahati, Madras, Hyderabad. There's no point reading it unless I get the product in the hand. Majority of the research are happening in the field of personal protective care equipment, followed by sanitization. Third class sanitizers are available in the market right now. Testing kits. Government in Delhi, many other states, they got the testing kits, but somehow they had to abandon the testing because they were faulty kits. Even Italy, many European countries have returned those kits. A girl in Pune Institute of Virology, she was pregnant. She did lot of efforts and testing kits were passed. But that happened at the research level only. But the products have not come in the market, my dear friends. Artificial intelligence model and epidemic patterns, but not to be seen on grounds, man. Ground reality is something different. Wow, with projected funding of over 120 crore in next 18 months, Indian taxpayer money will. I don't want to criticize. Neither I am criticizing, but I am requesting and alerting my IITian friends to make these products a ground reality. Every Indian should have the product. IIT Goa also doing one. The IIT is also ready with its prototype antiviral spray for PPE. Robots for waste collection, but not to be seen on the ground, man. Yes, apart from students, there are so many professors. I don't know why we have to depend on foreign countries to get the products. Now, look at the number of this thing. Personal protective equipment. Kharagpur is doing R&D on 4, Madras on 5, Delhi on 5. They'll testing kits. Do research, man, but the products also should be available in hand as soon as possible. Then only Indians will be happy and proud of IITians.